One of my favorite themes for Christmas is candy. I love doing the pastel fun candies and donuts and ice cream cones, all those fun things. And I have got a really cute centerpiece that we're going to tackle right now with Dollar Tree items. My name is Lindsay with Finding Easy. Let's get started. All right, we're starting with two of these cheapo little Dollar Tree trees, and I fluffed it so that two sides are flat. We're actually going to use that to lay it down. I have a foam block and then just a cheapo little plastic plate, and that's what we're going to put our tree in. So I'll attach this first. Just put that right in the center. And I'm just going to take this tree and pop it right in. Take the other one. Okay, our base is complete. I'm going to kind of pull some of these so that they cover a little bit more. If you've ever worked with these trees, you know that they are a little sparse. So I grabbed a package of these ties from the Dollar Tree, and I just took one and kind of wrapped the bare spots to just kind of fill it in a little bit. I'll show you, like right here, just kind of went in the bare spot there. Get in there, give it a twist, and it just helps to fill it out. I'll take one and cut it in half and then just use it on the tip here. Here's our little secret craft supply here. Loofahs! I love using these things. I made a Valentine wreath with it last year and I absolutely love this material. Some of these came in a pack of 2, and so 2 for $1.25, couldn't beat that. I pull it apart and I'm going to show you what I did with it. All right, it is as simple as getting to the center of it and just snipping the rope, and then it will come all unfolded for us. They had lots of color choices, and I loved that this one had 3 colors in it. So that was a good deal for sure. Okay, so here's what we've got. We have this light pink color, the white, and then the darker pink. What we're going to do is open the tube all the way here. I'm going to fold it in half and then cut. We're going to take that piece, fold it in half, and give it another little snip. We're going to cut all these little sections and have 4 of each color. Y'all will not believe how easy this next step is. So I have all of these ready to go. And what I'm going to do is take this and open it up and have my hand in here. And because this is so grippy and it sticks so well to these tinsels, I'm just going to take the bottom of it, give it a little twist, and just put it right in the center. I'm not even attaching it to anything. And we have got the cutest little purple poof. I'm going to keep going with all these colors, and we are just going to place them in all the holes. It's so easy to work with and maneuver. I'm kind of putting it towards the base of our little trees here. The last one here. We'll start on the other side. we've got that part complete. This is what it looks like. We've got our little colors everywhere. Now to cover our center foam block, I'm gonna take a green mesh here, and I couldn't find my floral pins, so I literally grabbed a bobby pin. This is gonna work just as well. Open it up a little. I'm gonna grab it in the center and then just shove this right in my foam. Give it a little fluff there. I'll do the same with this green piece. I'm gonna put it right in here. I'll take a white piece to top it off. Our foam is covered, and now for the fun things. You guys remember this garland I made? It's so cute. If not, I'll link it up above so you can see. But I'm gonna take some of this garland and weave this inside my little floral centerpiece here. These were really easy to make. They are styrofoam balls with some pom-poms. So cute, so easy. Everything obviously is from the Dollar Tree. Here's what we're looking like so far. So cute. I love our little candies. And now, I was so excited when I found the squishy toys at Dollar Tree. You guys have to see these. Look at those. Perfect, perfect, perfect for my candy centerpiece here. Let me show you what I did to transform these from toys into decoration. I simply grabbed some spray paint, took it to the garage, and gave it a good coat. After they dried, I grabbed some acrylic paint and just embellished some of these pieces. Some of the little circles were raised on the squishy toy, so I just painted those. The cherries got a cute little coat of paint, and then I just covered the crust of my little piece of pie. I'm just gonna find a little spot in the center here for this little cake. We'll just use some of these wires to kind of hug it and hold it in place. I'll take my pie crust over here. My little piece of pie, I'm gonna nestle right here. And then this little piece of cake is going right here by my piece of candy. And just shove it right in there. I found this kitchen play set at the Dollar Tree, and they had some cute little things in here. Let me show you what's in this set. I am gonna use this ice cream cone. I'm also gonna use this ice cream cone, and it also has some donuts in here too. We'll see if we need these. Here's this donut. And then this donut. Take one ice cream cone and set it right in here on the edge. And this other ice cream cone over here. We'll throw a donut right here and one over here. And then I'm telling you, I raided my stash for this stuff. I had these eggs left from Easter, and they were cupcake eggs, and they were so cute, so I'm gonna throw these in here too. I'm gonna use a little hot glue to hold these in. Put this little guy in place too. We are all finished with our candy centerpiece. This is so cute. Cannot wait to see it on the table. If you like this video, follow Finding Easy for more.